Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset an Opel Corsa, also known as a Vauxhall Corsa. This one comes from 2019 till 2021 if I remember correctly. And in this short video I'm going to show you I can reset it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, Opel Corsa 2019. We have the thumbstick, left thumbstick set and clear thumbstick over here. Ignition is turned off. Press this, keep it pressed. While you keep it pressed, turn the ignition on, then you'll see a timer counting from 10 till 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And when it reaches 0, it says that the surface has been reset. It's slightly different than other Opels. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like our videos. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye.